Hey everyone, welcome back to the Task Tracker channel. Today I'm excited to guide you through a platform you might not have heard of before, DappRadar. This is part of my top 7 free Web3 earning projects series. If you haven't seen the previous video where I covered 6 other free earning platforms, make sure to check that out after this one. So, what is DappRadar and why should you care? DappRadar is your one-stop shop for discovering, tracking, and managing decentralized applications, or dapps, across multiple blockchains. They launched in 2018 and quickly became the trusted source for everything Dapp-related. Whether you're into NFTs, DeFi, GameFi, or just curious about what's trending in Web3, DappRadar makes it insightful, convenient, and yes, rewarding. Here are a few things that make DappRadar stand out. They track over 17,000 dapps across 88+ blockchains. They provide real-time data on dapp activity and user trends. You get tools for NFT valuation, portfolio management, and airdrop tracking. Plus, they publish industry-leading reports on the multi-chain dapp ecosystem. In short, this platform gives you everything you need to find real working Web3 earning projects. DappRadar is not just another website, it's a launchpad for your Web3 journey. Whether you want to track your earnings, discover upcoming NFT drops, or explore legit dapps to earn for free, DappRadar has it all. With over 500,000 monthly users, it's no surprise this platform made it into my top 7 free Web3 earning projects. So there you have it. DappRadar is definitely a tool worth adding to your Web3 toolkit. I'll drop the link below so you can explore it yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the journey here at Task Tracker. See you in the next video.